Here we have a set of two T-628s. The ones that are on the left are stock at 24 pounds. The one on the right is 42 pounds. We do these all the way up to 70 pounds. Here, this cycle here, we took the fuel injectors from 0 RPMs all the way up to 8,000 RPMs and all the way down, checking each 1,000 RPMs to make sure that they are exactly right on the money where they're supposed to be. Everything we do is flow test and flow matched for everything we do here at TLF Performance Parts. These are our T-628 fuel injectors. This one right here is the stock one, which is 24 pound. This one over here is our high performance one, which is 42 pound. We can build these all the way up to 70 pounds for your vehicle. All of our fuel injectors are flow matched and they come with the flow sheets.